Meet Shivang from Nipissing University. Hi, Shivang.
Hi, how are you?
Thanks. Shivang, tell us about Nipissing University's location.
So Nipissing University, it's located in the city of North Bay of Ontario, province of Canada. So we are basically in the northern part of Ontario, located at a distance of 3.5 hours away from Toronto by road and 4 hours away from Ottawa by road. And if you talk about the by air distance from both of these cities, it's basically a 40 minutes flight. So quite beautiful located, and we are basically a mid-sized town with a population of roughly 56,000 people. But you know, we have a very small and warm community where students instantly feel like home. So that's the kind of place we are.
So tell us something more about the USPs of the universities.
So Nipissing University ranks #1 in Ontario and #3 in Canada in terms of its overall student satisfaction. Now, these rankings are given to us by Maclean's, and few factors contributing to such rankings are that we have an average classroom size of 29 students, and the average student to teacher ratio across the university is 26:1. Along with that, we have excellent student support services to help students with any problem that they might have. Along with that, we have a very unique policy that we call as the NU Promise, where if any undergraduate student is not able to secure a job within 6 months of graduation in their particular field of study, the university refunds 1 year of tuition fee. And just to give you an idea about our placements, on an average, 90.8% of our university students find employment within 6 months of graduation. And we do offer some really good scholarships, and on an average, more than 55% of our university students secure the entrance level scholarships. And our scholarship starts from 1,500 Canadian dollars and goes up to 10,000 Canadian dollars per year, depending on the academics of the students.
Tell us about the available programs for students. I'm sure this is very exciting.
Absolutely. So right now we are accepting applications for September 20 intake. We are starting up the January 21 intake really soon. Nipissing University offers a variety of programs starting from undergraduate degree programs. We offer BSc Honors, Bachelor of Business Administration program, and Bachelor of Arts program. Primarily, we offer majors in more than 39 subjects at the moment. Talking about other post-graduation programs, Nipissing University offers 2 years of post-baccalaureate diplomas, 1 year of post-baccalaureate certificates in management, and we offer some master's program as well.
Tell us about the eligibility for these programs as well as the fee structure, and do mention about the COVID-19 situation as well.
Absolutely. Basically, for undergraduate degree programs, we require a student to have 60% aggregate in their class 12th or senior secondary, no matter what background they come from. For post-baccalaureate diplomas and certificates as well, we require a student to have a 3 years of bachelor's degree with 60% aggregate. For master's program, we require a student to have 16 years of education with 70% aggregate. Talking about language requirements, we accept IELTS, PT, TOEFL, and Duolingo. For IELTS, we require 6.5 in each module. For PTE, we require 58 overall with no subject less than 56. TOEFL has to be 83 overall with no subject less than 22, or Duolingo has to be an overall score of 110. For undergraduate programs, we are also accepting applications on the basis of MOI. And considering the current COVID-19 situation, we are being very optimistic about the coming intakes. So we are accepting conditional applications as well. And as of now, we are planning to run the classes for September intake online. And all, whatever updates we'll have further, I'll be sharing that with you and your team.
Okay. Now, do let the students know about Nipissing University's relationship with Can-Am.
I mean, I guess we share a wonderful relationship with Can-Am, and Can-Am has definitely been among our top agents in Canada, and we've been getting some really, really good quality students from Can-Am. So, I mean, that's my personal recommendation to students. If they want to go ahead with the clear and crisp counselings and guidance, they should always go ahead with Can-Am.
Thanks so much, Shiva.
Thank you.
And I'm sure the students enjoyed listening to you.
Absolutely. Absolutely, Ganga. Thanks a lot for the opportunity.